Hello friends, welcome to ET Indian channel, and today we are making some donuts at home. Mother's Day weekend is here and we want to impress mom, so you can create this fresh batch of donuts at home. This recipe is super simple. You can even create a pack of 10 Timbits for mom, impress her, or just indulge yourself. Let's get started. You need 1/4 cup of milk. We are adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. We'll combine these two ingredients well together, and in this mixture we are adding 1 teaspoon of yeast. You will mix the yeast and let it stand for at least 10 minutes. Now while yeast is standing, we'll get the flour ready. Typically all-purpose flour is used for this dish, for this recipe, but we are using whole wheat flour. Add in pinch of salt. So you can keep it healthy. You can add in whole wheat or all-purpose flour in your bowl. We have combined it with the yeast mixture after we had allowed it to stand for 10 minutes. Now we are combining yeast, water, milk, dough, sugar to form a smooth dough. Now depending on kind of yeast you use, you might have to let it stand for 2 to 4 hours. Here the dough is formed. Now in order to prevent it from drying, I'm adding oil on top. So completely cover the dough with some oil and let the dough stand by covering it with a wet kitchen cloth. Place it in a warm place or even inside your oven. After about 2 hours, our dough has risen. You can mix it once again, knead it a little bit, and you can let it stand again for some time, 30 minutes or so. If not, you can get going right away. We can form small lemon size, golf size round balls, Timbit size. You can also create different shapes. You can form a little hole in the middle with a spoon or just with your finger or whatever equipment you might have in your kitchen. And then once all the dough balls have been shaped, we can heat some oil in a pan, in a pot, and we will deep fry them. You want to make sure that the oil is hot enough. You can check it with your candy thermometer, or if you have a deep fryer, air fryer, this process becomes a little easy. We will cook until we get a golden brown color. You can see how beautifully donuts are coming along. How simple is that? Now you can sprinkle them with some cinnamon and sugar and enjoy them. Second batch is going in. These were simply small round dough balls, almost like a little Timbit, and they are so delicious when enjoyed fresh. Alright, let's set them aside on a paper towel. Here we are just making a little bit of a chocolate sauce, a chocolate dip. You can just mix whipping cream with some chocolate chips, melt them in microwave, then mix them well, and you can form a little bit of a chocolate shape in which you can dip your donuts. One option. If you want to go with some chocolate donuts, this is super yummy. It's really tasty and really easy to get going. You can enjoy the donuts as such, classic donut, or you can just mix some cinnamon and some powdered sugar, granulated sugar, or icing sugar, and roll your donuts in that, and that's it. Your donuts are ready. You can glaze them. You can even make a caramel sauce to enjoy them with, and make a cup of mom's favorite tea or coffee and dig in. I hope you like this recipe idea, guys. Give these donuts try in your own kitchen and do subscribe.